One of the things that holds a lot of people back starting an Amazon book business is they think to themselves, shipping is gonna be so expensive. Now, I'm gonna be focusing on the cost and how to ship books with Amazon FBA, but this also applies for other items, DVDs, board games. Shipping on Amazon is dirt cheap. So if you're thinking about selling on Amazon, but you're saying to yourself, you know what? It's gonna be way too expensive. The rates are getting more and more expensive. I just shipped something at the post office and it was 2 to 3 times more expensive. This is true, but guess what? I have a surprise for you because shipping is dirt cheap on Amazon, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you step by step everything you need to know. Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name's Steve, and I've been selling on Amazon for over 7 years now. And today we're going to be talking about shipping on Amazon. And specifically, we're going to be talking about Amazon FBA shipping. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. So that's what I do. I sell on Amazon FBA. I take all of my products, I label them, I stick them in a box, I weigh them on a scale, I slap a UPS label, and I ship them to Amazon. And the reason I'm doing this is because that's how I'm able to sell items through the Prime program. So are you a Prime customer? Do you pay the $130, $150 a year, whatever it is now? Most people do. It's because they want the free 2-day shipping, hassle-free returns, and then there's other benefits as well. So when I sell FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, I'm able to make my products eligible for the Prime program, which means I'm able to sell things quicker, for more money, and I'm able to do less work because I throw everything in a box, ship it to Amazon, then they pick it, pack it, ship it, and I get paid every 2 weeks. But a lot of people are thinking to themselves, I don't want to do that. It's going to be way too expensive to ship my items, to store my items at Amazon. And just to cut through the fat, I'm going to tell you right now, it's dirt cheap to ship your items. Typically, it's around 30 cents per pound to ship items to Amazon. So, for example, just today I shipped out 18 books, which was 24 pounds, and then I had another box that I shipped off that was 39 pounds. The first shipment was only like $6 and change, and then the 39 pounds was, I think, $8.08. It is ridiculously cheap to ship via Amazon. If you were to ship that, and I'm not even talking books and media items, even board games and the same thing, it's about 30 cents a pound. If I was gonna ship that via, USPS, it could be 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 times more expensive. So what actually is happening is Amazon has partnered up with UPS, and UPS has given them a ridiculous discount. Amazon's one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, so they have so much volume that they were able to negotiate a great deal. So the way it works is you take all your items. Let's talk about books right now. You take all of your items, and essentially what you do is you put what's known as an FNSKU label over the barcode. Now, this book doesn't have a barcode, so I would just stick it in one of the corners, but let's just pretend that there was a barcode on this book. We would print out the FNSKU label, we would stick it over the barcode, and that label is gonna hold all the information that Amazon's gonna need. The condition, the price, who's the seller, right? I'm the seller or you're the seller. And Amazon will scan that in, they'll store it at their warehouse, and when it sells, they'll pick it, pack it, and ship it. So step 1, buy a bunch of books. Step 2, list them. You could list them through the Amazon Seller Central platform, or I like to use AccelerList. Also, Inventory Lab is very popular. Then once you choose your price, your condition, you label it, you stick it all in a box, okay? I like to use 16 by 12 by 12 boxes when I'm doing mostly books and heavy items, or I'll use the medium-sized boxes, usually from Home Depot or Lowe's, which is 18 by 18 by 16. That'll be a mix of typically board games and books, because I sell mostly books, board games, and DVDs. Then you weigh it out on the scale, you put in the dimensions, the weight into Amazon in the back end, and then you print out a label through UPS. Now, UPS will charge your Amazon account, and that'll all happen in the background. And then all you do is you drop it off at UPS, or you schedule a UPS pickup. And that's it. I mean, that's the greatest thing about this is you don't have to constantly store all the items at your house, sell each individual item. You don't have to provide customer service for each individual item and sale. You don't have to ship one item at a time. You don't have to deal with returns and refunds and all that. Amazon FBA deals with it all. So one of the best ways to be able to scale your business is to make sure that you're selling the FBA, inside the FBA program, instead of being a merchant, right? Think of a merchant FBA seller as an eBay seller. As an eBay seller, you're storing all the stuff at your house. When it sells, you're picking it, packing it, shipping it. If there's any customer service issues, refunds, returns, all that, you're dealing with it. You're having to provide labels. Of course, there's some automations on eBay that you can set up. But with Amazon FBA, they deal with it all. Now, you're probably thinking, that probably costs a fortune. It's probably a ton of money to store all the books at the warehouse. And honestly, it's only about a couple pennies per month to store your books. Now, once you hit that year mark with books, it used to be 6 months. They're gonna start hitting you with some extended storage fees, and it could become a bit pricey. But most of the time, my books are selling well before 6 months. A lot of them, it's 1 to 3 months, and usually it never gets to a year, probably less than 10% of the books. And when it comes to the FBA fees, yeah, they are a bit more expensive. It could come to 30 to 40% compared to eBay being what? 12, 13% after payment processor and all that stuff. But let me ask you a question. If you could sell this book on eBay right now and you can make $10 profit, or you could list this on Amazon and make $15 profit, which one would you list it on? You wouldn't care. You would list it on the platform that made you the most profit. Now let's throw into the mix. You're gonna make less money on eBay, most likely. You're gonna have to do all the fulfillment yourself, deal with customer service. You're gonna have to pick it, pack it, ship it, all that stuff. Whereas I could throw everything in the box, ship it to Amazon, and they deal with it all. Plus, I'll make more money, even with the fees being higher, because there's such a premium price that you get on Amazon because customers just pay more. Why do they pay more? I mean, we could go in depth a lot, but why do some people pay $500 for a shirt and then others pay $30, right? It's all brand, it's perception, it's value, so on and so forth. So people spend more money on Amazon, and it's just an overall better experience. So hopefully this video helped you out. Shipping is dirt cheap, typically about 30 cents a pound. Throw it all in a box, you tape it all up. I'll also put a link down below to my tools and supplies and my softwares and everything that I use in my book business, so that can help you out for sure. I just don't think I have the boxes in that link, but just go to Home Depot or Lowe's or U-Haul. I mean, there's a bunch of places to get boxes. You don't need like the crazy strong boxes, just a small medium box. Tape it up well and you're good to go. Like I use the moving boxes. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. The profits are coming soon. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Much love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.